Yo, what's up? I wanted to install Eclipse IDE on slackware and I didn't want to do it off cam. So here is the installation instructions. I'm gonna install it using the Slack builds since it does exist in the repositories there. We should switch to root here. I'm on my slackware. This terminal emulators tab is for slackware. When we look for Eclipse, we find multiple versions. I will go with a Java version. On ArchWiki, they say that you can choose whichever version you want. You cannot install multiple ones. I'm not sure if it's the same here on slackware. They say also on the ArchWiki that once you install one of them, you can install plugins in order to have the other ones working. I mean the other programming languages, since each version is for a specific programming language or more. So I will go with Java. Whenever you want to upgrade, it says here that you should replace the old config.ini or ini /opt/eclipse-java/configuration/config.ini and replace also eclipse.ini with the newer ones. So we download the Slack build this way. I'm newly installing it. In your case, if you're upgrading, you need to overwrite the old configuration files eclipse.ini and config.ini with the newer ones. So we download the Slack build here and then decompress it and then cd to the directory that's recently made after the decompression. I always use tab, and you can yourself try to use tab button on the keyboard in order to get some auto completion from your bash shell. And then we should download the tarball, the application tarball. Be careful here, you have two versions. One is x86_64 and the other one is ARM, ARC64. This one is for ARM. Download the one that you use on your system. If you have ARM, you can download this one. Since I have x86, I'm gonna download this one. And then this way. Okay, downloading the package is done. It's time now to install it. First we make the script executable by running the command chmod +x. The eclipse java dot slack build. Always use tab. I always use tab. Maybe the only thing that prevents you from using it is in case you have a shell that you have set up that doesn't allow you to use it. And then we run our script like this. Okay, so the package is created, and now we can install it by running the command install pkg or install package, and the path that has been created, we copy it and paste it carefully. Wait, like this. Paste and then run it like that. It's installed, and now it's time to prove that it is and prove that it's working. Don't get confused by seeing a different desktop environment here. All you have to do is to run the same commands on your machine, and the results should be the same as long as you are running those commands on a Slackware machine, whether remotely like me or locally. So it should be under development Eclipse Java, this one. This asks about the default work space directory. You can set it to be the default and never ask again. Otherwise, it will keep asking you every time you make a new project. I can select this one and then launch. It's working. Let's make a project. And exclamation mark. We run our project. Yes, you can see that it works. As you see here, this is the console. Okay, so that was how you install Eclipse IDE on Slackware using the Slack build. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. It helps me a lot. You can look for the ways to add plugins or customize your Eclipse the way you like, since it's the same even with Windows. Thank you for watching and peace.